In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on TikTok. If you guys are new to TikTok, then after watching this video, you'll exactly know how you can post one. Now, before I get started, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notifications for more future videos. Open up your app of TikTok. Now, from the home screen of TikTok, all you need to do is tap on this plus icon on the bottom. Now your camera will open up. Now you can straight take a TikTok from here, or if you already taken a video, you can tap on upload and choose the video. After you chosen or taken the TikTok, you can tap on the top right of the screen which says add sound, and you can add in the sound that you like on your video. Tap on the sound and tap on this tick mark right here. Now the song will be added. Now, other than songs, you can add a bunch of other things such as texts, stickers, effects and filters. You can also manage the volume of your video. If you tap on this volume option, you can reduce the sound of your original video and then increase the sound of your added sound that you just added right here. With the new update of TikTok, you can straight edit your video through this section. If you tap on advanced editing, you will have a similar interface of the CapCut app. If you ever use the CapCut app, you could easily use this interface. You can make cuts and adjust the video as you like, and then tap on save on the top right. After you've managed everything, now you can tap on next. Here you'll be able to add in hashtags, your descriptions of the video, you can tag people, and you can also manage a few other settings like if you want to allow comments, allow duets and stitches. After that, tap on post on the bottom. Now if you tap on this profile option on the bottom right, you can see that your video now has been posted. So that's how exactly you can post on TikTok. I hope you guys liked and found this video useful. If you did, share, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.